When this is applied to silver, the result is incredible. In this short video, I'll show you what happens when silver is coated with this simple mixture. To start, you'll need a small container, preferably plastic or glass, and pour in a little warm water. Then add a small amount of toothpaste, about a few centimeters, and mix everything well until it dissolves in the water. Friends, tell me where you're watching from. I love meeting people from all around the world. Thank you. The final and most important ingredient is a white powder, baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly once again until it becomes smooth and even. The combination of toothpaste, baking soda, and water is often used to care for and clean silver. Baking soda works as a mild abrasive that helps remove dark buildup, oxidation, and dirt from silver surfaces. Because of its gentle action, it can also help restore silver's natural shine. Toothpaste contains fine particles that aid cleaning as well, including mineral ingredients that polish the surface. Together, these ingredients help remove impurities and refresh the appearance of silver. Apply the paste to the silver item and gently rub it using a soft cloth or your fingers. After a short time, rinse the item under running water. Then dry it gently with a clean cloth, and you'll notice how the silver starts shining again. This silver bracelet is 20 years old, and now it looks almost brand new, which makes me really happy because I don't have to pay a jeweler. The result impresses me every single time. Watch our next video appearing on your screen now. Thank you, and cheers!